Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. I have the 2023 Tea Pray Love box. This is a special self-care, beautifully curated box that it's always a pleasure to open. I'm going to show you everything right now. You're going to get it in the mail just like this. It's very compact. Everything is expertly packed in the box, and this is what it looks like. Normally we get a book of table of contents. Unfortunately, I don't have one to share you. Sometimes, you know, it gets omitted, it's a mistake, but I can definitely explain everything to you. This is the premier box. It always contains tea. You can get a coffee box. This is the premier tea box. It contains tea. It contains some self-care items and cruelty-free skincare items. Let's go take a look at the contents. So the first thing on top are these fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. They're so comfortable. One size fits all. This is just the perfect thing to wear on a cold day, but I live in Florida and it's actually getting a little cold outside. It could be cold or hot. I'm always wearing fuzzy socks inside. So that's the first thing. And then the other really nice self-care item we got is a Spongeli. This is Current Noir. It's a body wash infused buffer. I don't know if you've ever used these before. These are, you know, they're a little pricey. I mean, I think this would probably be like $6 in the store. And this is the Angel, and you put it in the shower and you can get multiple uses out of it. It's beautiful flavors. Scrub your body with the soaps already in there. It's moisturizing soap. I can smell it right here. So this you can get multiple uses out of. And we got another skincare item, which is a bubble matcha tea lip balm. It is vegan. Isn't that really nice packaging? It's really cute. I've never heard of a bubble matcha tea by Boba Tea. Let's take a real, I gotta look at it because it's green. It's green. Sometimes, you know, green lip products go on and you can change the color of your lips. Now I'm already wearing lipstick that's cute pink and green. This is the Maybelline colors. And it smells really, really good. I don't know. I'm putting it on top of my lipstick. Looks fine. So that is the other beauty self-care. And then the last beauty self-care item I got is a cucumber face mask. So I have everything here to pamper myself. And I need that because I'm always stressed. Always stressed. Okay, I'm telling you, this is like the best box 2023. I love opening this box. I hope I can open it in 2024. We shall see. This is the tea. It is by Simpson and Val. It's 4 ounces of a holiday blend tea. Really nice graphics and packaging. It's a black tea. Love me some black tea. And it has Rubio's, peppermint leaves, organic alfalfa leaves, vanilla flavoring, malva blooms, erica flowers, and vanilla beans. I'm always learning something from the ingredients. This is so pretty. It's so pretty that when I'm finished with this tea, this tin is going to be in my tin collection. I like to use tins. I like tins for, a lot of times I use them to plant, you know, little succulents in there, or cuttings I do a lot of cuttings of plants. Let's take a look. I just want to see, and see if I can even open it. This is where, oh no, I don't want to peel the label off. I'm kind of like, want to keep the integrity of the label because I want to keep it when I reuse this container. Okay, now I got both sides off. Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. Marvelosio. can see the little flower petals in there too. To me, black tea is the bomb. Love black tea. And actually, this is a screw-on. This is a screw-on. Okay. I don't have to pop it off. It is a screw-on cap. Seals very nicely. Okay, that's the tea. Again, graphic still intact. And associated with the tea, we got a strainer. Now I use the little strainers that go into your teacup, and normally they work fine, but sometimes most typical strainers for like a 1 or 2 cup teas, like that you stick in the mug itself, a lot of times the tea gets out. You're not going to have a problem with this. This one, I have a similar strainer in a teapot. Look at that. The holes are so fine, and you can just, I'm drinking some tea right now, so I can't put it in all the way. And by the way, this is from my previous Tea, Pray, Love box. My favorite mug. This is about with a little top on it to keep your tea warm or use it as a coaster. Okay, but this is from a previous box. You would just drop it in there and let these hang over the lips just like that. And since the holes, see those holes? They're so fine, you're not going to get any tea leaves in your beverage. So this is really nice. Comes with a lid as well. Put right on top of it. It's nice, and steep it in your mug. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And this was created by a woman owned Zule Kitchen is named after my extraordinary mother, Zule. She was raised in poverty-stricken Venezuela and against all odds brought my brother and me to live in the United States. As a single mother, she worked extra long hours, but still found time to cook healthy meals for us. At the time, I thought nothing of it, but now that I'm married with children of my own, I see much of a superhero mom she really was. So she named the business after her mother. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. So this person, my wife and I created Zula Kitchen to make shopping easier than ever in today's busy world. And so they have probably a whole product line, not just this tea strainer. Very nice. And they also have a card with their story. So this man started a business for his mother, him and his wife. Okay. Now I'm going to leave a review for them and leave feedback. I get so distracted with this box because it always has such great items. Okay, here's something wrapped in paper. This was a spoiler on the Tea, Pray, Love Instagram account. And it's a river birch clean burning natural hand poured candle. Oh man. Beautiful. It's a soy candle. Gorgeous. I'm a candle burner. Are you a candle burner? I only burn, I rather pay a little extra or get these nice candles in subscription boxes. Soy candles, no wire wicks. Best kind of candle. Really pretty scent. Keeping it. And the last item, remember this is the Premier box. So only the Premier box is going to contain this item, which is some kind of book. So let's open it up. Now I have good news and bad news. I do have a code to get 10% off. It's Jane. I believe it's Jane. I wrote it down. Sometimes forget. Let me see. Yeah, Jane, 10% off. Unfortunately, this beautiful box, it's gone. It's gone. But if you sign up at their website, you could get November, December, January's box. But don't despair. You can go to their website and get a mystery box, which might contain a lot of these items here. I can't tell you which ones. Maybe it's the tea, maybe it's some of the beauty, but they do have a really nice mystery box that you can try out the subscription. This is a bi-monthly box, so you're going to get a box every other month, and it's just a beautiful treat for yourself. So 6 boxes a year, you can sign up for that plan. You can sign up for an annual plan. the choice is yours. And you get 10% off. So, hey, it's a good deal. There is a voice that doesn't use words. Listen, it's a beautiful notebook. Discover what's possible. And I love me spiral notebooks for the obvious reason that they lay flat and I don't have to struggle with it. It's a really nice notebook. It's beautiful. It's by Compendium Products. Liveinspired.com compendium. And I don't know how many pages are in here. I would say over 100. And there's little, it's lined. It's beautiful. It has a nice, beautiful inside cover. It's a lined notebook with little dividers. So there's the first divider is plain. You can decorate it. And then on the back side it says, has some motivational quotes for you about believing in yourself, to the whispers in your ears that you might be special. You are special. If you have a good heart, you're special in my book. And then there's another divider, blue, that you can decorate. Some more inspiring quotes. You are as unlimited as the endless universe by Shad Helmster. And then the back of that you can decorate. And then there's another divider, blank, for decoration. It says, open your mind, your ears, and your heart to new ways of thinking and feeling. And then another decorator page. And that's it. And then you have the back cover. Really nice notebook. You can do anything with it. Use it as a diary. You can use it as a journal for 2024. You can do whatever. You can be really creative and create monthly spreads if you have the time. But I really love this notebook. Hardcover. So let's do a quick recap. We got the notebook. We got this beautiful birch candle. The bubble tea matcha lip product. Spongeli. This really cool tea strainer devoted and to his mom. Face mask and the tea. Beautiful tea, beautiful tea. And these snuggly socks. So guys, I appreciate you watching so much and taking some time out of your day. Please give me a thumbs up. Talk to me in the comments below. Give me a comment, write to me, I'll write back. I promise I will write back. And I will leave all the links down below if you want to subscribe to this wonderful box. And I'd like to thank Chinwe for sending me these boxes this year in 2023. I so appreciate it. It's been very nice, and it's been my pleasure to open them for you. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.